Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide Instagram chat without deleting. So let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, just head over to your profile to make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to your home. And here, tap on the DM section on the top right. And here, just tap on any conversation you want to hide, and then tap on their profile on the top left. And here you will find the option of the three dots icon on the right section and just beside the mute. Here, if you tap it, you'll find this layout of restrict, block, and report. So just tap on restrict, and once you restrict it, it will not be in your DM section directly. So if I refresh it and head over to my DMs section again, and as you can see that specific conversation is not in here, but it will be in the request section if you tap in requests. So here you will find this chat. They will be able to send you messages and you can send them too. So yeah, this is how you can just hide it from your DMs without deleting any chat. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.